we're going to learn about combinations. And I'm going to stop the video here in a second and show you an example. So the formula for combinations is C over N and R. So C over N and R is equal to N with a factorial, and a factorial is just an exclamation point, over R with a factorial, and in parentheses is N minus R, and that equals, or it doesn't equal, it has a factorial on the outside of the parentheses. So what an exclamation point means is that, say N equaled 3 with an exclamation point, you would do 3 times 2 times 1. So you just count down from the number and multiply each number that you count down to. So let's try an example. C over 10 and 3. So first you have to take your N and put a factorial with it, like we saw in the first example, or in the equation. So it would be 10 with a factorial over R with an exclamation point. In parentheses is 10, which is our N, minus R, which is 3, and an exclamation point. Now you just write out each one as each number with a factorial. So 10 with a factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And you put that over 3 times 2 times 1. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now you can just cross out the numbers that are the same on the top and bottom. So 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you're left with 10 times 9 times 8 over 3 times 2 times 1. And 10 times 9 is 90. And 90 times 8 is 720 over 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 is 6. Then you just simplify and you get 120. So C over 10 and 3 equals 1.